Can I help you?
Good morning. This is room 365. Could you send breakfast to my room, please?
Certainly, madam. What would you like to have?
A glass of orange juice, 1 serving of bacon and eggs, a toast with some butter and marmalade, and a cup of black coffee, please. How long will it take?
Well, about 15 minutes.
That would be fine. I'm going to take a nap after breakfast. So, is it possible to get a wake-up call at noon, please?
Sure, I'll call you at 12 o'clock. Would you like anything else?
Yes. I'd like to know which floor the swimming pool is here.
The swimming pool, the sauna, and the gym are on the first floor.
Great. Thanks. And do you have laundry service? Could you send someone to pick up the laundry from my room?
Sure. I'll ask the housekeeping staff to pick it up right now.
Sounds good. And another thing is, my room is quite messy. Could you please clean it and change the bed sheets?
Okay, we shall do it after lunch then.
Thank you very much. Is it possible to have an extra blanket, please? It was quite cold at night.
No problem, madam. I'll send it to your room right now.
Thanks a lot. I appreciate your help.
You're welcome.